What if I told you the secret to vocals on countless hit records is locked inside one single plugin? And it was designed by a guy who's mixed for Adele, Muse, and the Rolling Stones. This is the Waves CLA Vocal plugin. The CLA stands for Chris Lord-Alge. He's the Grammy-winning engineer known for his massive, in-your-face rock and pop mixes. Instead of trying to copy his complex setup, Waves worked with him to model his actual hardware chain. This one plugin is a complete channel strip based on his go-to gear. Let's break down his genius. 3-knob approach. First, the compressor. This isn't just any compressor. It's modeled after Chris's favorite. It adds punch and controls your levels. Turn it up until the vocal sits firmly in the track. Next, the EQ. It's simple. Low end for thickness, presence for intelligibility in the mid-range, and air for that sparkling top end. Finally, the reverb and delay. This is the magic. Chris is famous for his slap delays and big reverbs. The 3 buttons let you instantly switch between short, medium, and long settings for both. Blend them in with the mix knobs to create space and depth. But the real secret is the A and B presets. These aren't just different sounds. They're 2 completely different modeled signal paths. A is often brighter and more present. B is usually warmer and thicker. Don't just tweak flip between them. It can instantly solve a vocal problem. Have you used the CLA Vocal plugin? If so, comment below, let me know how your mix turned out. So that's it. 1 plugin, 1 legend, 1 instant pro vocal. Now your turn. Go get your vocals to cut through the mix. Smash that like button, subscribe for more, and tell me in the comments, which preset are you using, A or B? I'm Wild One. Peace.